Buying my first property at auction. Don't know what to expect in this experience. Okay guys, so here it is, right?
I ask that you please don't talk with each other. It causes a big problem for an auctioneer.
Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna share with you buying my first property at auction. Don't know what to expect in this experience. What I do know is I'm on my way to the bank to buy our check. Stay with me to the end so you can see if I purchased the property or not. When I do the walkthrough, I'm gonna walk you with me so you can look at the property and then stay with me through the whole process, see what happens. Hey, remember to like and subscribe. So guys, I just got to my bank. I gotta buy a $9,700 check. I understand, like I said, I never purchased a property at auction before. I have to buy, the starting bid is $97,500 for a fourplex. I'm gonna show you in a bit. Actually, I gotta give it to the auctioneer. If I win the bid, then they keep it. If I don't win the bid, they give it back to me. So I'm just getting to my bank right now and I'm about to go purchase this check. I just left the bank, bought the check. The property is literally across the street from the bank. And there's a property behind me right there. Wish me luck. I hope I win this, right? If I can get this property. Let me show you around. I used to have an office right up the street here. Courthouse is around the corner. It's a great location. I know the number I want to buy it at. That's it right there, right behind me. If I get it at that number, it's a steal. So this property right here, I used to have an office here where you see it says Sandra. Right next to that here where it says 25 North 5th Street, I used to have my mortgage company right here. And the beauty of this location is it's downtown and we have the courthouse right here around the corner. Great location in downtown Stroudsburg. And let's walk this. Let's see what we got going on here. Look at what I ran into here. How you doing, sir?
How are you?
Outstanding. We are registering.
Here's your panel for today.
All right, so here we are. So you already saw the first place, which is a commercial space. Look at this. This is great. Oh, yeah. Dude, really small ceilings. Then this is a complete gut. You need a roof. Porch is pretty nice, actually. To rebuild this porch. This. Yes. All right, so this section of it, I'm trying to figure out. This is a weird layout. I'm assuming this is the living room of the old house. This is little porch. We gotta redo everything here. We gotta touch everything. Kitchen.
It's a two-way entrance.
This is a gut. Take a look at this. This is a gut. We gotta rip everything gotta come out and we gotta redo. And this is the bathroom. God. So your floor is slanting here somewhat. Okay, so this is the other side. We couldn't get it in. No. We need a roof. I'm considering this a bedroom because of that.
Yeah, this is a bedroom.
This is another bedroom. Green. Need a roof? Nah. The paint will cover it up. Pink bathroom. Rip and replace. Okay guys, so here it is, right? And there seems to be quite a bit of people here. This place needs everything. At least there's meters here. There's
Reserve of $97,500. Everybody knows that. There's no hidden reserves here. We let everybody know what the reserve is. We have the right to take 1 or 2 recesses, which means when the bidding stops, we're going to step away for a minute with the estate and talk with them. Give them a chance to talk amongst yourselves. People you're with, I ask that you please don't talk with each other. It causes a big problem for an auctioneer. It's what they call collusion, and I have to stop it. So please just talk to your party. Don't go talking to people, etc. Instead of keep everything straight and above water, so we're all on the same playing field. That's my job. Everybody's a fair chance. Please make sure I see your bid card. Don't be bashful. Be proud to bid. This is a great location. Make sure I see it, please. I'm going to go slow. It's not a personal property sale. I'm going to go very slow.
All right, guys, so I just bid on this property. My number was $150,000. My maximum number was $150,000. I actually took my shot. There were many people there that didn't even bid. There was just three or four of us that actually bid. It doesn't make any sense for me why someone would take their Saturday, show up there, lose 2 hours of their life, and not take their shot, right? So guys, remember, man, you're gonna miss 100% of the shots you won't take. I'll give you the quick rundown on the property. The property starting bid was $97,500, sold at $245,000. From my estimation, it needed $100,000 to $120,000. Our after repair value, well, I'm gonna use after repair value, but it was commercial. I thought that we can turn one of the commercial units into a 1 bedroom to get more rents, and you just can't. So I'm gonna say that property is probably worth $350,000 once it's repaired, maximum at an 8 cap. This is an 8 cap market here in Stroudsburg. Not a good deal. At $245, it doesn't work for me, at least. We didn't buy it. I took my shot, and now I know, right? Next time I know how to play. We have an upcoming recession here, a housing recession, and there's going to be a lot of those coming up soon. And I got my practice. I got the yuck out, as they call it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Appreciate y'all. Peace out. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.